Okay. Got the undercoating underneath.
On the floor?
On the floor underneath.
All right.
Yep, I did the wiring for the tail lights and underneath the hood. Right at the hook when I had to take the body off.
So you had to rewire, put everything back up there?
Yeah, I had everything marked electrical with mask tape, so I know where everything went. I did fix this part because it was going to rattle.
Okay.
It didn't take me long. I just cut it, and so I didn't want her, she didn't want to hear it rattle probably. So
No, I'm sure she don't want to listen to it rattling driving down the road.
got the steering box back in. Just had to tighten the bolts up.
We're gonna have to pick up some of this stuff here, Andy.
It was on the hoist, but it fell off.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then,
I added coolant to it ahead of time. That way it's done with.
all right. And so you got the undercoating done. Some of your brake lines are all done.
All the brake lines are done.
Oh, all of them are done.
Except for the rubber hose that's in the front.
Okay.
I just don't want to hurt the new rubber hoses when I block it off on the weekend.
And then you're gonna show us what you did up top.
Oh yeah, underneath it, yeah.
Okay. Well, when you put weight on this hoist, it comes down a little faster.
Yeah.
But that Jeep isn't very heavy, is it?
You know why this thing goes so slow?
Why?
538 gear ratio with those small tires.
Oh, you mean the Jeep?
Yeah, this thing goes 538 gear ratio in it.
Andy, I don't know what that means.
That's a low gear ratio.
Oh.
It's made for big tires, not small tires.
Oh, okay.
That's why it only goes 45 miles an hour.
That's about my speed, Andy.
I did paint it, I'm gonna paint it all one less black to make it look nicer.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yep.
So now what do we have in here?
Yeah, I got all the wiring done from right here. And on the motor, where I had to take off. You can see where I had mask tape marked where I had it.
Oh yeah.
I
Makes the job easier going back together once you've marked everything.
Yep, and I hooked the heater hoses back up and filled it enough coolant so if you start it, at least the wall read. Probably better off on this side because I got the steering column in. I just had to do one more tight bolt and lower the steering column, get steering column in. Luckily there's enough adjustment in it where I can put it against the body still without no spacers.
Yeah.
It's closer to stick to the.
Now, are you going to spray some black undercoating over that
Oh,
gray?
this should be truck bed coating. Like it's right there.
All right.
I did that half already. That's truck bed coating.
So you haven't done this side yet?
I still got to drill some holes and figure out the gas tank.
Oh, you mentioned a light dimmer too.
Dimmer switch is, they drill a hole here for the dimmer switch.
What about for the gas and the brake?
Ken can help me with that while cutting that.
Oh,
Put the
okay.
pieces back in. And was Nick's trying to get the rubber piece for that fuel tank going through the body.
Okay.
And it's just that marker tank, so it's smaller.
Yeah.
So the hole's not as big. I gotta look around see if we can find one that fits it right. Where'd I put that? Grommet. I took it out, but it was pretty rotted from being original. And I don't want no water in the floor when
Right, right.
this goes
Yeah,
to.
because she plans to drive this, so we want to make sure that it's...
Yeah, I got the fuel tanks in here. I got this fuel tank. Fuel tank's right here.
right underneath it.
Right, you sit underneath the seat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Back then,
Well, it's looking good. It's coming along real nice.
I figured I was over that side. That's why I just did a truck bed coating on it right ahead of time.
Yeah, yeah. All right, well, we'll get out of your way and let you keep rolling at it. So what have you done so far? It looks like you got brand new grease in here.
I greased it,
Yeah,
greased everything,
okay,
repacked the wheel bearings.
okay. So these are the wheel bearings?
Yes.
And you had to repack them.
I repacked them.
All right. What does that mean?
Because these, I think you're supposed to, like old four drives,
Yeah,
you pack them instead of, you can tighten them, loose them, and re-grease them instead of sealed wheel bearings.
all right. And then what do you got here? Why is this pinched off?
I got new rubber hoses for it, just haven't put them on yet.
Okay. And then I see you got all brand new brake lines up through there.
They're all new brake lines.
Okay. So are you, and you're replacing all the brakes, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The rear is done.
Oh, you did the rears already.
Yep, the rears are all bled, I think, and
Yeah. Okay.
and I think they work.
What type of brake is this?
Drum brake.
Okay. All right, so when you say you think they work, we got to know they work.
I pushed them by hand and they're stopping, but I don't know.
Okay, so until you get them all done, you really can't test
I can't. I got to test drive and see if I got to tighten them.
Okay, all right. So
But they
adjustments.
stopped. They stopped somewhat without it.
And this is all new lines in here as well?
Yep, all the rubber hoses.
Okay. So this is all going to be virtually all brand new brakes on here.
And right now, we got the bi-week mounted. So I'm building a bracket to go from here to there, which was originally there.
Okay, so you're building new brackets up there.
Yeah.
All right.
And that's what that's for.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to get an update on where you're at with this and see what's been going on with it. I haven't been
When I get
out
the
here
front
very much.
brakes, I'll record the front brakes a little better.
Okay. All right.
They're the same as the rear brakes.
And you say these will be coming in Monday?
It's Freddie, or Spirit Auto Value says he can get them Monday.
What's the name of the company?
Is Spirit Auto Value?
Oh, Hesperia Auto Value. Yeah. Freddie.
That's the reason I called him.
Yeah.
He does all the old stuff. That's why I trust him more.
Yeah. He I've played hockey with him quite a
Yeah,
bit.
he knows you. Yeah.
Good old boy there.
You want? Like I said, I'll probably pick him up Monday after work
Okay.
because he can get him Monday. If I don't feel like leaving in the middle of work to pick him up while he's there.
So that's what one of your holdups is getting parts on this.
Yeah,
Stuff like this, it's older.
There's things older vehicles like this. It's hard to get parts most of the time.
Not like a Chevy Cavalier?
No.
All right, well, I just wanted to touch base with you on this and see where we're at. And
And if lucky I didn't remember, because if someone old, newer, young person did this, they wouldn't have ever got the driver's side front tires off.
why is that?
They're reverse threads.
So these are all reverse threads?
Just the driver's side.
Just the driver's side.
Driver's side are reverse threads.
Why is that?
They thought it helped keep them tightened, I think.
Oh. All right.
I didn't know.
I wouldn't have known that. I'd have had the thing on the machine going the wrong way there.
I couldn't figure out why I tightened that number on old vehicles are reverse threads.
Okay. All right, well, listen, I'm going to let you get back at it, and I'll touch base with you Monday, and we'll capture some more footage of what you're doing here on this vehicle.
Yeah. Probably Tuesday when I do the brake.
Oh, Tuesday? Yeah, that's right, because you got to pick up the parts Monday night.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's hard to find parts.
Yeah. Yeah, I imagine. All right, Eddie, I'll let you get back at it, and I'll go do what I do.
Yep.